Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to go over the My Users option inside of HQWebinar. This will allow you to export all your contacts that have registered for your webinars. So what I'm going to do is go over here and just click on this little arrow, and you'll see we have the options here. And I'm just going to choose the My Users. And then this will list all the users that have registered for any of your webinars. So what we can do here is export these either via a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet, or a PDF. And down the bottom here, you'll actually see that I've actually done that. There's a CSV, there's an Excel spreadsheet, and there is a PDF. So that's how easy it is to export the names and email addresses of all those people that have registered for your webinars. Thanks and bye for now.